Hi, so in today's video I am going to tell you about how to change the colors of RGB keyboard of Dell laptops, especially this Dell G7, 7500 and 7700 series. So let's get started. First of all, you need to turn on your laptop, and after login to the Windows, just you need to go to browser, then write down here like G7 Dell drivers. Dell drivers. So it will show here some links here. So to be very precise, write down the model number also. I have 7500, so I will write it here. Then press enter, and then go to the first link from official website of Dell. Click on it, and after clicking on it, just uh, scroll down a little. Now here you will see Windows 10. If the operating system you are using is Windows 10, then you need to select this. Otherwise, there is option for the Windows 11 also. So it depends on you which operating system you are using. Right now this is Windows 10, so I will go with the Windows 10, and then here uh, what kind of driver you want to download. So right now I am in a need for application, not the driver, so I will click on the application, and here download type also application, and then I will click on search. Now go down. Here you will see a number of applications available, but now we need actually Alienware command center, which controls the keyboard FX. So here you can see Alienware command center. It is optional, so you cannot actually install it by Windows update, so you need to manually download it. So here Alienware command center optional, you go there and then download this application. Press here and then let it download. Take some time. After downloading it, you need to install it. So as soon as it will finish downloading, it will start automatically because I have already clicked on it. So it is checking for the errors. Okay, now it is ready. Now wait for the application setup to run. It is a heavy software, so it takes time. If it does not load, then go again, click on open file, and then press here yes. Now here on this window, press install, and then this window will appear. Just click on install again. Hope you can see my cursor, so follow my cursor. I'm going to show you every step. I will not skip anything so that you can see it clearly. Most of the time, in order to install the application, you just need to press next, 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 like this. Same like this, you just need to press next every time it appears. Next page, just select complete, yes, next, install. So it is installing now. These T7s and Alienwares are quite same laptops, so the command center Dell did not make different. So same Alienware software you can use for Dell G7 also. A little sophisticated when you need to change the. So now you can see when it is installing, the keyboard lights already have started changing automatically, even we did not select anything. So this is the sign that it is installing the software. Now it will remove the backup files, so need to wait for that. Now because the installation has finished, so it's just press here. Can you see my cursor? Press finish. Now the software is installed. So what you need to do now, you need to press Windows button here, and then you will see a recent installed software on the top here. So click on it. So this is the software from which you can change the keyboard RGB lights. So he is asking for scan for games or adjust lighting, so I will select adjust lighting. So quickly it took us to the page from where you can change the colors of the keyboard. Now here all the controls are grayed, like we cannot use them. Why? Because we haven't selected any zone here. These are the zones for all the lights of the keyboard, like this. Like this is also one zone, and this is one zone. So we need to select which area we want to change the color. So for example, light bar zone. So if I will check this one, okay, then actually what is the thing, why there is a lot of light bar zones and there is only one light bar in the laptop? Why? Because a lot of laptop other models like Alienware coming with more light bars around it. Like Alienware used to have here also, sides, here also, these sides of the laptop. So they gave one software for all, so they are showing more. But if you change, or we can select all, because there is not so many bars, only one, so it does not make any difference. So now after selecting, these controls are now working. So for example, I will show you, there is one color. So if I select spectrum, okay, right now it is off, you can see. So when I will select spectrum, this one, clicked, now you can see it is changing color like spectrum, one by one. All the available colors it will select automatically and change it. Okay, so we have now like knowledge how to change the color of the bar. Now how to change the keyboard color, the main purpose of this video. Here you can see two options. This was for bar, this is for keyboard. You need to click on it. Now see, it is showing the keyboard. Now it depends on you what keys you want to change the color. There are some sectors like 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So center light, if you want to change, select that one. Now you can see this is the center light. It will be appear here. So what do you want to do? There are some predefined options available, so I will go with them. For example, I need spectrum also, this one. So now you can see all keyboard is off, but this sector is giving light. Okay, same like this. If I select all sectors and then press spectrum or for example breathing, now you will see it is breathing all keyboard. Okay, and if you want to change the color, because it is showing the same color, so press this one, for example red. I clicked on it. Now you can see it is now red. Okay, after doing all these things, you need to save the theme so that it does not forget what settings you made. So I have clicked the save. Theme saved successfully. Now you can close this software. Your settings will not be deleted. Keyboard is red, breathing, and light bar giving spectrum lights. That's it. Same procedure you need to follow for Alienwares also, and for Dell RGB laptops which are coming mostly. They are same. So this is it. I hope this video will help those who don't know, like maybe bought the new laptop, so they want to change the color of their RGB keyboard. So this is how you need to do it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, because your support is everything for my channel. And thanks again. Bye bye.